Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and I'm here at RGNY in Riverhead, New York. Today we're going to get a little glimpse into the winemaking process. Come on, let's go.
I brought you here because I want to show you like the grape pad, right?
Yes.
So you see we have that table there, then we have a conveyor. All this is the equipment that we need to receive the grapes. The first place where we sort actually and make sure that it's a good quality grape what we are bringing to the fermentation room, okay? So the vineyard out there, we harvest manually. So that means the guys go there, cut the grapes, put it here in the sorting table, and we have like 4 guys there sorting and taking out rocks, leaves, everything that it's not grapes, right?
Okay.
And not good quality grapes. We want to make sure that we receive the best quality. So once it's sorted in that table, then it comes here to the elevator or the conveyor, and it falls into this machine, which is the crusher destemmer. It has like a paddles inside of this cylinder here, and the grapes are gonna fall out from here into this like tray down there, fall here, and then to this pump, which is gonna send it to the fermentation room.
When they're sorting grapes, how do you pick the ones that are the best quality versus ones that are not?
We want to make sure we receive good ripened grapes. So if they look like raisins, we will take those out. Green berries also, we don't want like green flavors on the wine, so we take those out too.
When you're sorting the grapes, does it really depend on what kind of wine that you're making?
Yes, well, especially, yes, we just want to make sure it's good quality.
Okay.
So I decide out there, I was telling you on our way here that I'll be during this time of the year every day tasting the grapes and decide on my experience like flavors and good phenolic compounds, good aromas, and decide the perfect timing to harvest them, right? So I bring them here once the guys have sorted them, good quality there, and then here. So it's basically the quality of the wine that I want, it's decided me tasting in the vineyard.
So it's decided in the field before it even gets here. That's really like awesome
and of course I want to make sure during the whole fermentation process and aging and all that I get the quality that I'm looking for.
All right, so we're in the fermentation room.
Yes.
It's where the action
Exciting,
happens.
right?
Yes.
From that door there, we bring all the grapes in for daily work, these flex tanks here. But normally we would have some containers here, 1-ton bins where we ferment. And then I just got this little amphora here.
I know, you're so excited
I'm
about
super excited,
it. I know.
Yes. So this works also as a fermentation vessel or aging vessel. It depends on the winemaker. I'm gonna use it for both fermenting and aging. I still deciding, but maybe an orange wine or white wine with skins.
Orange wine is so in right now too,
Yes.
but it's clay, right?
It's clay, yes. Yes, this is what was used in really ancient times. It's not something new, it's just that we're going back to this like old style, or as we were saying, like old world style of doing wine. And I'm excited for trying something and keep experimenting. As I was saying, I like experimenting and just keep evolving and looking for the best quality.
So then after we ferment, where do we go?
Barrel aging, so let's go. So this is the barrel room, where we age the wines. We have 2019s here.
In here, okay.
So we have some Pinot Noir, some Cabernet Franc, and 2 barrels of malbec. Normally we were not doing malbec. Last year was very nice that we decided just to do like a special edition. We'll see how it evolves. It's looking nice so far. But I'd like you to taste maybe the Cabernet Franc that you like from there. You tasted the 2018.
Yes.
So I have here 2019, and I have some new oak. Everything is French oak here.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a little taste of the second use oak. It's been in the barrel for 8 months now.
8 months in the barrel. And how long do you usually put it in the? How long do you usually keep it in the barrel for?
So I think it still has potential to stay a little bit more in the barrel, maybe like 4 months, something like that. I'll see. My plan is to bottle it in January maybe, but I'll see how it evolves. I always keep tasting and to take the right decisions.
So now this one is a darker one.
Yes. So as I said, in 2018 was a hard year to get the grapes to the optimal ripening point. We struggled to get more color because color is part of the ripening of the fruit. So 2018 was very light colored reds. 2019 was just great. The ripening was really optimal, and so we got a very nice color that year. Very expressive again.
Already,
aromas, right?
Yeah. It smells like, I don't know, there's like almost a vanilla or like a baking spice, or like it smells like homey and warm.
What I'm looking for is to keep those fruity aromas, but give a little complexity or structure to the final wine, right?
Yeah.
So that's what this second use barrel will give. In terms of the new oak, I'm looking for to get maybe it's some aroma of the barrel, but very, very subtle, and just maybe blend it at the end and see if I can get a bolder result.
Yeah. Let's cheers to your new baby,
Yes.
huh?
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm excited to share with you.